Many people don't fail in business because their product is bad or their idea lacks potential. They fail because no one knows they exist. In today's marketplace, visibility is currency, and social media is the fastest way to earn it. If you are not consistently showing up where your audience already spends their time, you are leaving growth to chance. Social media is no longer optional. It is a business infrastructure. When used strategically, it builds trust, authority, and demand. The businesses that succeed are not always the best. They are the most visible. I'm Mon, your social media manager. Bye!